Welcome to our comprehensive guide on overcoming fear. Fear is a common emotion that can hold us back from reaching our full potential. Whether it's fear of failure, fear of the unknown, or fear of judgment, it can prevent us from taking risks and pursuing our goals. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to conquer your fears and live a more fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss such content before the video. Your support is very important to us. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to the video. Understanding fear. Before we delve into the strategies for overcoming fear, it's essential to understand what fear is and how it affects us. Fear is a natural response triggered by the brain when it perceives a threat or danger. It activates our fight or flight response, preparing us to either confront the threat or run away from it. Fear can manifest in various ways, such as physical sensations, racing thoughts, and avoidance behaviors. Step 1. Identify your fears. The first step in overcoming fear is to identify and acknowledge your specific fears. Take some time to reflect on the things that make you feel anxious or scared. It could be public speaking, starting a new business venture, or even making social connections. By understanding your fears, you can begin to address them directly. To identify your fears, consider keeping a journal where you write down situations or experiences that trigger fear within you. Take note of the emotions and physical sensations associated with each fear. This self-awareness will provide valuable insights into the root causes of your fears and help you develop targeted strategies to overcome them. Step 2. Challenge your thoughts. Fear often arises from irrational thoughts and beliefs. Once you have identified your fears, it's time to challenge the negative thoughts associated with them. Ask yourself if your fears are based on facts or if they are simply assumptions. Often, our fears are rooted in distorted thinking patterns that exaggerate the potential risks or negative outcomes. Challenge your thoughts by examining the evidence supporting your fears. Are there alternative perspectives or interpretations that are more realistic and positive? Replace negative thoughts with positive and empowering ones that reinforce your capabilities. Affirmations and positive self-talk can be powerful tools in reshaping your mindset and reducing the influence of fear. Step 3. Take small steps. Overcoming fear is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Start by taking small steps towards confronting your fears. Break down your ultimate goal into manageable tasks that you can tackle one by one. This approach allows you to build confidence and experience success in overcoming smaller fears before tackling more significant challenges. For example, if you have a fear of public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small and supportive audience, such as friends or family members. As you gain confidence and become more comfortable, gradually increase the size of your audience or seek opportunities to speak in professional settings. Each small victory along the way will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. Step 4. Seek support. Don't be afraid to reach out for support when facing your fears. Talk to friends, family, or a mentor who can provide guidance and encouragement. Sharing your fears with someone you trust not only lightens the emotional burden but also allows you to gain different perspectives and insights. Additionally, consider joining support groups or communities where you can connect with others who are also working on overcoming fear. Hearing their stories and sharing your own can be inspiring and provide a sense of belonging. Surrounding yourself with a positive and supportive network will help you stay motivated and accountable for your progress. Step 5. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you overcome fear. Take a few moments each day to visualize yourself successfully conquering your fears. Close your eyes and imagine the situation in which you typically experience fear. Visualize yourself confidently facing and overcoming that fear. Imagine the feelings of empowerment, accomplishment, and joy that come with facing and overcoming your fears. Visualize the positive outcomes and the impact it has on your life. This mental rehearsal will reinforce positive beliefs and motivate you to take action. The more vividly you can imagine success, the more likely you are to translate it into reality. Step 6. Practice self-care. Self-care plays a crucial role in overcoming fear. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. When you prioritize self-care, you enhance your overall resilience and ability to cope with fear. Exercise regularly to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Find a physical activity that you enjoy, whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or participating in a team sport. Fuel your body with nutritious meals that provide sustained energy and support brain function. Ensure you get enough sleep to restore and rejuvenate your mind and body. In addition to physical self-care, practice mindfulness or meditation to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to promote relaxation. Taking time for self-reflection and self-expression through activities such as journaling can also help you gain clarity and process your emotions. Step 7. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Fear of failure often holds us back from taking risks. However, it's important to reframe failure as a valuable learning opportunity. Every setback and mistake brings valuable insights and lessons that can propel you forward. Embrace failure as an essential part of the growth process and use it to fuel your determination and resilience. When you encounter failures or setbacks, take a moment to reflect on what went wrong and what you can learn from the experience. Ask yourself what actions or strategies you can adjust or improve upon in the future. Embrace a growth mindset that views failure as a stepping stone towards success rather than a definitive endpoint. Step 8. Celebrate your progress. As you continue to overcome your fears, remember to celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge the courage and determination it takes to face your fears head-on. Reward yourself for each milestone reached, whether it's treating yourself to something special or simply taking a moment to appreciate your growth. Create a progress journal where you document your achievements and the lessons you've learned throughout your journey. Reflecting on how far you've come can be incredibly motivating during challenging times. Surround yourself with reminders of your accomplishments and use them as a source of inspiration to keep pushing forward. Congratulations on completing our step-by-step guide on overcoming fear. Remember that conquering your fears is a personal journey that requires commitment and self-reflection. By identifying your fears, challenging negative thoughts, seeking support, practicing self-care, visualizing success, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, taking small steps, and celebrating your progress, you can break free from the limitations fear imposes. Embrace the unknown, take risks, and live a life driven by courage and resilience. Before you finish the video, if you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.